dear students. Again, we are going to discuss about tense, and we have learned about present tense, and some parts of present tense is present indefinite, or we can say present simple, and second present continuous. Now today we are going to discuss about present perfect. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट जैसे हिंदी में सेंटेंस आते हैं, मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ, मैं अभी वो ले चुका हूँ, या फिर मैं अपना होमवर्क कर चुका हूँ, वो आ चुका है। इन दिस वे हिंदी में चुका है, चुकी है, चुके हैं से एंड होने वाला सेंटेंस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में आता है। बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इंग्लिश, then the definition is like when any verb or action is just finished in present time. When any verb or action is just finished in present time means पहले से कोई काम चल रहा था, any verb या फिर कोई एक्शन चल रहा था, वो जस्ट अभी खत्म हुआ है प्रेजेंट टाइम। Hence we will use present perfect. When any verb or action is just finished in present time, then we will use present perfect. So the structure for present perfect is subject plus has have plus third form of verb plus object. I already told you about form of verbs. There is first form of verb, second form, and third form. So you must remember. I will give you a list for this. But in this sense, we will use subject plus has have plus third form of verb plus object. Example: I have completed my homework. मैं अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ। I have completed my homework. Now, if we discuss about uses of the present perfect. First use: if following words are used for time, means time के लिए अगर ये words use किए जाते हैं, which words? So far, up to now, lately, recently, just, already, or yet. These words again: so far, up to now, lately, recently, just, already, or yet. Then the verb of sentence must be present perfect. Means if these words are in sentence, then the verb of the sentence must be present perfect. So there is two things to be noted down. I have already written here. Note first, yet. This is the word yet. Yet is used for negative sentence in present perfect. Means whenever we will use yet, then this sentence must be negative. Means yet is used for negative sentence in present perfect. He has not come yet. वो अभी तक नहीं आया। He has मतलब वो वहाँ से निकल चुका है, पर यहाँ अभी नहीं आया, वो चीज अभी खत्म होने वाली है। He has not come yet. So this sentence must be in present perfect. Now second one, just and already. Just and already is used for affirmative sentences. Just and already is used for affirmative means positive sentences. Example: I have just finished my work. मैं अपना काम कंप्लीट कर चुका हूँ। I have just finished my work. He has just left the class. वो अभी क्लास से निकल चुका है। He has just left the class. Means just is likewise already. He has already done his homework. So in this way, I have just finished my work. Is that perfect? He has just left the class. In this way, we have seen the structure and uses. There are some remaining uses. You can note down it. Okay, I will give you next uses. Now, my dear students, after first use, if you talk about second use is any completed work or action affecting present time, then present perfect tense is used. Means ऐसा कोई काम जो पहले हो चुका है लेकिन उसका असर अभी वर्तमान में भी है। Any work or action completed in the past but yet have effect in the present time, then we will use present perfect tense. Example, I have seen the Taj Mahal. I have seen the, मैं ताजमहल देख चुका हूँ। ये कब किया था मैंने? जब मैं अतीत की बात करूँ, पास्ट की बात करूँ, मैं देख चुका हूँ, तो उसका असर अब भी मेरे अंदर मौजूद है, मैं उसको बता सकता हूँ कि मैंने देखा है या मैं देख चुका हूँ। तो अपन यूज करते हैं, then we will use present perfect. I have seen the Taj Mahal. मैं ताजमहल देख चुका हूँ। Likewise, रश्मि has passed the board examination. रश्मि ने पहले कभी बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पास किया था लेकिन उसका असर आज भी अक्षर भी काम दे रही है ना, जैसे आप देते हैं। Then रश्मि has passed the board examination. रश्मि ने बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन पास कर चुकी है। तो ऐसे एक्शन जो पहले हो चुके हैं लेकिन उनका असर भी चलता है तो उसको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में यूज किया जाता है। ओके, सो अगेन माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जांपल, आई हैव सीन द ताजमहल, रश्मि हैज पास्ड द बोर्ड एग्जाम। यू मस्ट नोटिस दिस यूजेस बिकॉज विद द हेल्प ऑफ यूजेस वी कैन नो वेरी वेल अबाउट द टेंसेस। नाउ द लास्ट बट नॉट लीस्ट, थर्ड यूज, sentences which feels us like present perfect continuous. ऐसे सेंटेंस जिनमें फीलिंग आती है जैसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस के सेंटेंस हो। सेंटेंसेस व्हिच फील्स अस लाइक प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस, ऐसे फीलिंग आती है जैसे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस का सेंटेंस हो, बट नाउ इन दैट वे वी विल स्टडी अबाउट इट लेटर ऑन इन सेकंड वीडियो, बट स्लाइटली डिफरेंस है। यहाँ काम कंप्लीट हो चुका है अभी प्रेजेंट तक और उसमें पहले से चलता आ रहा है और अभी भी चल रहा है, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटीन्यूअस होता है। तो यहाँ काम वर्तमान में आता है कंप्लीट हो चुका है, ठीक है। देन sentences which feels us like present perfect continuous, then we will use present perfect. Example, Manjit has lived in Patna for 5 years. मंजित पटना में 5 सालों से रह चुका है। मंजित has lived in Patna for 5 years. मंजित पटना में 5 सालों से रह चुका है। अमित has worked in this company since 1995. अमित इस कंपनी में 95 से लेकर काम कर चुका है। अमित has worked in this company since 1995. अमित ने सन 95 से लेकर अभी तक वहां पर काम कर चुका है। So, but in present perfect continuous we will use ing form. ing form of verb means living, okay, working. So we will study. But there is slightly difference here. Manjit has lived in Patna for 5 years. वो पटना में 5 सालों से रह चुका है। अमित has worked in this company since 95. अमित इस कंपनी में 95 से लेकर अभी तक काम कर चुका है। Now, after uses, you must know all the things. We will talk about structures. Before that, into tense, present, indefinite, present continuous, we have seen structures. Now in present perfect, structure of first affirmative sentences. It is general sentence, affirmative sentence. So subject plus has have plus third form of verb plus object. Example, Rakesh has sold his car. राकेश अपनी कार बेच चुका है। राकेश has sold his car. राकेश अपनी कार बेच चुका है। We have taught them. हम उन्हें पढ़ा चुके हैं। We have taught them. Okay, so this is structure of affirmative sentence. Later on there is 4 structure remaining. You please note down it. So my dear students, this is remaining structures. First we have seen about affirmative sentence. Now negative sentences. Structure of negative sentence, we have only put now. Okay, so subject has have plus not plus third form verb plus object. In previous two tenses we have already seen this type of things, but here again I am giving you comparison type of examples so you can understand better. So structure of negative sentence in present perfect, subject has a plus not plus third form verb plus object. So एग्जांपल राकेश हैज नॉट सोल्ड हिज कार, यानी राकेश अपनी कार नहीं बेच चुका है। राकेश हैज नॉट सोल्ड हिज कार। वी हैव नॉट टॉट देम, हम उन्हें वी हैव नॉट टॉट देम यानी हम उन्हें नहीं पढ़ा चुके हैं। Now if you talk about interrogative sentence, interrogative means to ask. Okay, so helping verb, first we use helping verb. Structure is has, have plus subject plus third form of verb plus object and later on question mark. Okay, so example has Rakesh sold his car, क्या राकेश अपनी कार बेच चुका है? Have we told them, क्या हम उन्हें पढ़ा चुके हैं? Okay, so has Rakesh sold his car, क्या राकेश अपनी कार बेच चुका है? Have we told them? Here Rakesh has not sold, राकेश अपनी कार नहीं बेच चुका है, and we have not told, हमने नहीं पढ़ा चुका। So इनका interrogative, okay? Now interrogative negative. Now interrogative negative. So we put only not in negative sentence. Always we have to put not, okay? So has here plus subject plus noun plus third form of verb plus object and later question mark. Example, has Rakesh not sold his car? क्या राकेश अपनी कार नहीं बेच चुका है? Have we not told them, क्या हम उन्हें नहीं पढ़ा चुके हैं? Has Rakesh not sold his car, क्या राकेश अपनी कार नहीं बेच चुका है? Have we not told them, क्या हम उन्हें नहीं पढ़ा चुके? So this is you can compare easily. Okay. Now the last but not least WH questions. We have already discussed about WH words. What are WH words? What, when, where, whom, why. Okay. So these are the WH words by which we can make WH questions. Okay. So structure for WH questions is present perfect. WH word plus has a plus subject plus third form of verb plus object and question mark. Example, when has Rakesh sold his car? राकेश ने उसकी कार, राकेश अपनी कार कब बेच चुका है? When has Rakesh sold his car? राकेश अपनी कार कब बेच चुका है? Where